Okay, so in this video we'll be doing differentiation using the chain rule. And we're given a function y equals 3 sine of x to the 4 plus e to the x. And we need to differentiate it. So we can see that this is chain rule because there's a function inside a function. We have x to the 4 plus e to the x is inside the sine. So we begin by writing u, which is going to be the inner function. So that's going to be x to the 4 plus e to the x. And then we write y equals, and that will be 3 sine u. So y is going to be the outer function. So if you can imagine over here, if you replace this with a u, we have 3 sine u. And the next step is that we differentiate both of these. So we get du dx, and that will be 4x cubed plus e to the x. And if we differentiate the second function, we get dy du equals 3 cos u. And the chain rule, if I just write out what the chain rule is, it states that dy dx, which is what we're trying to find, is equal to dy du times du dx. And that's exactly what we have here. So dy du, that's the bottom one there, that's going to be 3 cos u, and that gets multiplied by du dx. So that's 4x cubed plus e to the x. And then the last step is that we now get rid of this u, because u wasn't in the original question. That was introduced later as an intermediate step. So u is going to get replaced by this over here. And as we do it, so let me just put the 3. It's going to be preferable to have the cos at the end. So I'm going to put the 3 first, and then I'm going to copy this bit over here. So we have 4x cubed plus e to the x. And now we can put the cos. And instead of a u, we can replace it with x to the 4 plus e to the x. And that's the final answer. And the only reason why I switched these around is so I didn't have to put the cos into bracket. Had we put the cos after the 3, it would have to be in brackets. Let me just show you what that would look like. If I'd put the 3 cos x to the 4 plus e to the x first, and then put this bracket, this is a bit ambiguous. It's not clear whether if it's cos of all of this or if it's cos of this bracket times this. So in order to resolve that, we have to put it in brackets. We put a square bracket just in front, meaning it is cos of this only, and then multiply by that. But this is a little bit, to avoid doing that, we can just switch the order and put the trig function at the end.